Hello everyone, my name is Remal from WIO Water, and today we will be speaking a bit about the 20-liter jar AA+ mineralizing WIO water filter. Also we will be looking at how to use it. First, let us look at what includes in the box. With the filter you get a 10 ml free pH testing liquid with which you should be keeping a regular check on what pH of water you are drinking. The other thing is user manual, which you should go through before using the filter. And lastly, the filter itself. Let us now see how to use this filter. Before using the filter, you should make sure you wash this filter with purified or drinkable water. Just pass some water from here, around 2 liters of water would be good, and then the filter is ready to use. This is a standard 20-liter jar which is found in market, and WIO filter fits in with it. Simply put the filter like this, push it down, make sure the rubber is closed, and then when there's water filled in, when you turn it upside down, the water starts pouring from here. Now, talking about the water which it gives out, the water is up to 8.5 pH. The water is antibacterial, which stops bacterial growth up to 8 hours. It also adds essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, potassium, and other trace minerals. Along with this, it also enhances the taste of water. The WIO jar filter has a life of 3000 liters, and by keeping a regular check with the pH liquid, you can decide on when to replace the filter. Thank you so much for watching. Any doubts or queries, please feel free to contact us on the